Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily turn off the Hutt DDC5 machine. So here we have the machine, now it's turned off. I'll turn it on and then show you how to turn it off. But you guys won't hear me because the machine is very loud. And I'll show you guys how to enable it. So hold the power button for 3 seconds. And then when you want to turn off the machine, you hold the power button for 3 seconds too. So let me show you guys how it works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, then please leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.